Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, May the 28th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and a 4-star Sudoku. So it's time now for the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And in today's newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this last regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. And the news of today, well, I've just read the newspaper. We got a new Prime Minister, new Prime Minister. His name, Schoof. Yes. Tectonic. This will be number 8611. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Alright, let's get started. By the way, for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But I don't think it's a 3 stars because it has 16 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Let me think, maybe a 0 stars. 0 stars I need to be faster than 14, 15 minutes. Maybe it could be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Question, is this a 0, a 1 star, or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Can't see any single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. How about triple boxes then? No triple boxes. I see a couple of quadra boxes. Quadra boxes contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Here we have a quadra box, here a quadra box. This is also a quadra box, and this one is also a quadra box. Well, this one, these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2, and this quadra box should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here, the quadra box, these 3 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. This quadra box, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, okay. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. I think we only have one shape. One shape, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No, only one shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Like some, we have 6, but in this puzzle we have only one shape, figure, structure or construction that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 and the 3 goes together as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 2. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 1. Because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quarter box. Should be there. The eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3. Because can be 1. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes and there. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then these 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then let me see. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me, this one. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. And then, let me see. Well. I need to think. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, and this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. So that means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 3 there. The only place left for 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. So 1 is left in this area for number 1. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Is connected with that box, so 1 and the 5. And this box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be here. And is connected with that box, so 5. Here I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes. So around the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape supposed to be here. 4 and the 5. We have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 4 and the 3. We have 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finishing for 11 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.